Hi, it's Giggle Blossom, your virtual party clown. Happy birthday, Karen. I was told that you love clowns. So do I. Some of my best friends are clowns. Oh, and a special friend of yours has a super happy birthday wish for you. Your two special friends, Ellen DeGeneres and Anne Boylan, wish you a very happy birthday and wish that they could be here with you today. Don't forget, the 101st anniversary of the Titanic sinking is coming up. I'm sure you'll have something special planned. Be on the lookout for Benjamin's upcoming Titanic short story. I hope you get the jump rope you asked for. May God bless you and bring you peace on this super special birthday. And tell your friend Kate Middleton I said hi. Oh, and Benjamin says, don't forget to eat your oatmeal. Have fun. Bye.